So basically this building is a old-fashioned style building. We're going to change the ceiling for surface the ceiling and make some paint for the also for the black ceiling we have here. And we will paint it white and we add some windows part here. There's gonna be windows here and we have it over there also. So enclose everything. This is will be closed and make the villa for their family. Okay guys, we have the deal with the client today and even it's rains and the situation is very wet here. So finally we have the sign. Cheers Ahmed. Okay everyone, as you see in the previous video, we already have the sign and now let's start the work in progress. And we hope the weather is fine and we can continue all the progress because if it's rain, it's gonna be hard to do the renovation. Let's see how it is. Sorry, what's we are going to plan today? Let them know. So we're going to commit.
So the plan today, we are about stage 2 for the renovation for Miss Erica's house. So today we will be going over all the fixtures for the bathrooms and kitchens. If you look in here, we've done all the hard work. The boys have been working hard. All the demolition is complete.
Yeah.
So the hard part with the renovation is we never know what the owner wants. So we've got to get the owner here. She's going to tell us what she's ordered and where she wants it, and we can put everything in place. We're going for polished concrete walls.
Correct, yeah.
And tiles on the floor.
Correct. Yeah. We're just waiting for the accessory to come. So Mrs. Alma already bought that, yeah?
Yeah.
She's already bought that from Jakarta, from IKEA, I don't know.
IKEA. Good old IKEA.
Yeah. So today is Friday and 3 December. Right now I'm at Alma's project. We're gonna check what the progress today. It's a good day because it's sunny, so we can work with the renovation. Okay, let's see the progress right now. So the wall has been sanded. The old paint has been taken off from the wall, and here's we have the bathroom. Yeah, the bathroom part. This will be removed, all the old tiles, because we're going to put a glass block here in this part. And yeah, we position the toilet, and yeah, the washtub will be stay the same. The shower will be removed also. So, and we haven't done the ceiling part. Basically today we're going to check what's the progress in the field about the demolish some part and take the existing part, like this one. This is the kitchen set. We have removed the old tiles that we have before, and we're going to do a simple finishing. We already sent the design. As you can see in the video, that's the design that we have submitted to the client. Yeah. So from there, that design, we have an agreement to do the project with that style. So we have the material on the side here. So the worker is set up the material before we apply. This is the second bedroom. So we remove the ceiling part on the top, and the bedroom here is more clean. Yeah, good one.
because the smells.
Yeah, and then
because
we
of the smell, yeah.
we make another, like a square like that. From the gypsum because the exhaust fan only have 70.
So you have to make
So
extra.
we have to add.
You have to make sauce.
Out of aluminium or steel.
So we have 2 more weeks to finish all inside.
Yeah.
Because they want to stay here, and outside we can do later after all inside finish.
Correct. The door?
Yeah, and this door.
Yeah, I think he's gonna go find the door and then show us so we can try to get it cheaper.
Yeah.
Because they're quoting him like 4 million, which is crazy.
Yeah.
4 million.
Yeah.
4 million. Yeah. We're going to check the working list.
Yeah.
All the things that we have done.
Yeah.
How many percent based on the quotation that we provide yesterday. So I think it's gonna be the first termine you can export.
Yeah, I think we can.
But make sure that as long we have the data.
Yeah. He's doing the fan.
Yeah, it's already bought, yeah.
He doesn't like my fan.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
We're gonna use the old lights.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So just carry on. Just go as fast as you can.
Yes.
So we have to finish maybe like in the middle of the month. Yeah.
But I will bring the door.
Okay.
But the door is made. I've already seen it and talked to them.
Okay.
So it's quick. It's just a matter of them delivering it.
We just won't do anything until the door's here.
Yeah. So by the end of the weekend, I will have.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll focus on this part.
Okay.
Awesome.
Do you happen to know if? So he's going to come in and clean up. Do you know a landscaper who does, like a gardener, like who plants things?
We can. We can
really?
plant trees.
Yeah, that's
Quite easily.
Yeah. Okay. yeah. What about so on the other side of this wall?
Yeah.
It's just all grass.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 or 3 weeks before you came,
Yeah.
it was just garbage and holes. So we cleaned it up and we brought lots of dirt.
Yeah.
And now our vision changed and we have to move some of the dirt.
Okay.
So this is what I mean. If you can do this, I mean I can show you later, but. There's an amount of space that we want to move the dirt and then spread it out to the other area.
We can do that. We can do that.
And then we're going to put grass seed or sod in the area that the dirt's been removed so we can create like this sitting area.
Yeah, we can do that. We'll just approach it as an extra and we'll go over that in stage 2. No problem.
Yeah, because that's not a garage, right? But it's, I love the work you guys are doing. Stay with the same.
Yeah. But we'd like that too.
Well, so far so good for the progress in the site. The client is very happy with the situation. We already done the demolition part and we're gonna step up with the next progress. We got only 2 weeks to go to finish all. So that will be in our part 3 of the project. It's Alma Renovation Villa. So stay tuned and Gauri Art Division Studio channel and let's see how it goes. Thank you.